As the days get warmer, many of us look for ways to bring a lighter, more natural feeling into our homes. In this video, we'll explore how natural materials like wood, stone, and linen can refresh your space for summer without feeling heavy or overdone. If you love clean lines, soft textures, and timeless simplicity, this is the perfect style to embrace. Light wood coffee table. A simple coffee table in light oak or ash wood adds warmth and a modern touch to your living room. Stone vase with dry branches. Use a smooth stone vase filled with dried eucalyptus or branches to add texture without too much color. Linen curtains. Soft linen curtains in white or beige filter the sunlight beautifully and make a room feel breezy. Wooden wall shelf with neutral decor. Install a minimal wooden shelf and style it with ceramics, books, and soft-colored pieces. Stone sink or basin accent. In the kitchen or bathroom, a stone sink adds elegance and connects the space with nature. Linen bedding in earth tones. Switch out heavy bedding for linen sheets in soft grays, off-whites, or warm tops. Wood-framed mirrors. A large wood-framed mirror can open up the room while adding rustic warmth. Natural stone centerpiece on dining table. A simple stone bowl with summer fruits or greenery makes a calm yet stylish statement. Woven linen table runner. Add a linen table runner over your dining or entryway table for subtle texture. Raw wood bench in entryway. A raw-edge wooden bench offers practical seating and a grounded look right as you walk in. Linen slip-covered chair. A linen-covered armchair provides comfort and elegance in the reading nook or living room. Pebble or stone candle holders. These add a subtle, modern, organic feel to side tables or bathroom counters. Wood and stone mixed art or wall decor. Consider a framed piece that combines wood and stone textures for interest without clutter. Floating wooden nightstand. Keep the bedroom feeling light with a small wall-mounted wood nightstand. Linen napkins with stone napkin rings. Perfect for summer dining. This pairing brings style and simplicity to your table. Thanks for joining me today. Natural materials like wood, stone, and linen help create a home that feels calm, grounded, and connected to the season. They're timeless, easy to mix into any space, and perfect for refreshing your home in a thoughtful, modern way. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoy these ideas, and feel free to subscribe for more calm and beautiful home inspiration. See you next time.